We'll guide you through how to insert a logo in the header in a Word document. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in a Microsoft Word document. And so having the logo in the header makes a lot of sense because every time you then go and make a new page, the logo is going to go and appear at the top. Let's go and open up the header. Of course, you can do this with the footer as well. So go and double click at the top of the document and it'll then go and open up. Make sure cursor's in there, it should automatically be. And then what you need to do is come to the left of the ribbon and find the option for insert and click there. Now you want to find the option for pictures and click there. Where it says insert picture from, press this device and you can go and find the logo and click on it and press insert. Now you can see it's really big. First of all, go to the top right where it says layout options and click there, the little square. With text wrappings, go and select square, the first option. And you can then go and start resizing it by clicking and holding the corner points. What you can also do is right click on it, and I'm just going to crop it a bit as there is some white areas. So I'm going to click, hold and drag those bottom points. I could do the corner points and side points as well. When you're happy with it, press enter and then we can go and click on it again. And then you can go and continue making it smaller and clicking, holding it and dragging it and adjusting it to your liking like so. I'll then have it right in the top left in this case. In header and footer, you can actually go and increase the size of the header from the top if you want to have a bit more space with it. Once you've adjusted it to your liking, you can then press close header and footer, and that's it. You've now added it to every one. If you go and make a new page, it'll be there as well. Leave a like if you found this useful.